Hello friends, my name is Bhavish Chanduri and you are the Soldier Pharmacy. Then today's topic is application of plant tissue culture in pharmacognosy. First, development of clonal and micropropagation through multiplication of genetically identical plant or crops. It is a very used in horticulture in the crop which have long seed, dormancy, tree species, orchids and many fruit plants. Second, production of biomass energy which is useful in forestry. Then third, increased production of secondary metabolites which helps in the isolation of the constituent of drug discovery as well as various pharmaceutical formulations. And fourth, procurement of genetic variability which is due to sale of various ploidy level and genetic constitution of the initial explant are also may be developed due to different cultural condition. It helps for production of haploid means hybrid plants by polyploidy mutation and hybridization technique. It is a great application in the field of horticulture as well as in agronomy. It helps in development of useful characters such as resistance to a particular diseases, then herbicide resistance and stress tolerance. Then fifth, somatic embryogenesis and synthetic seed development by which the mass production of adventitious embryos occur by that ultimately develop into complete plantlet in maturing media. This method is useful for the production of disease-free propagules as well as production of asexual propagation plant. It is an innovative technique in agriculture field. Then 6. Breaking dormancy in the further challenging for hard-coated seed. By this culture technique, the seed dormancy period is reduced and the breeding cycle is shortened with improved early growth of plants. Then 7. Propagation of haploid plants through another or pollen culture, androgenesis, or through ovaries or ovule culture theory called gynogenesis. Then 8. Establishment of somatic hybrid through somatic hybridization, that is the sexual hybridization. It is carried out by fusion of protoplast cell by hybridization. Products of fusion between two protoplast heterokaryon are cultured to regenerate a new somatic hybrid plant of desired genotype. Then 9. The development of transgenic plant by carrying genes for different traits like insect resistance, herbicide tolerance, delay ripening, increase amino acid and vitamin content, improve oil quality, etc. And 10. Germ plasm conservation through in vitro method in gaining importance. The storage collection provide a cost-effective alternative to growing plant under field condition. Nurseries or greenhouse recently pollen preservation is very important for endangered plant species.